What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock, and we have some incredible news for you guys today. Breaking news. It's going to absolutely blow your mind. It's also going to give us some clarity of the direction that the CEO Anthony Noto, went with on, the Q4 earnings. We had the top line beat for full year guidance, 2025 revenue, but we missed that EPS guidance that the analysts wanted, about 29 cents. It looks like SoFi right now is entering a new mindset. And what is that mindset? It is growth at all costs. They want to capture as much market share as possible while they have the opportunity and delay profits a little bit further out. Maybe not years out, but it looks like, it could be 1 to 2 quarters of a cool off of just flat out revenue growth. This isn't like what they did in 2024, the beginning of the year, where they just paused, growth, went conservative, got their loans under control. It looks like they're going for growth at all costs. And we're going to show you that breaking news in today's video that's going to get you very, very excited and see the direction that 2025 is going. Now, I made a video the other day saying, some bad news, and we did cover the Galileo technology platform. But understand, guys, that is only one of three segments of SoFi's entire business. And it's not even like a 33% split on the three segments. Guys, that's like 17 to 18% of the entire company from revenue. So I just covered, what was supposed to be, a significant growth factor. It's just been delayed for the past 3 years. And we had a lot of other, creators out there like Tevis, Roy, data driven investing, and we are all calling out, management on the technology platform because we want more clarity on the numbers, on the partners, where the revenue is going, the direction they're headed. We just want more clarity because we can see now that they are really trying to shy away from the growth. But understand, guys, once we get rid of that segment and we get back to the other two segments, specifically financial services and lending, SoFi is the fastest grower, potentially in America right now for this entire, fintech sector. All the competitors absolutely destroying legacy banking. And this news today shows that what Anthony Noto said with 2025 is going to be the best year in SoFi's history, the best macro environment. It looks like he is not playing around. We know that management likes to do the conservative guidance, but it really wasn't conservative on the top line revenue growth because they said, 23 to 26%. And remember, last year they said 14% and gave you 26%. So that's 12% increase. So if you do a 12% increase on the bottom end of 23, we're looking at, what is that, 35% growth this year on a profitable company. Guys, just because I covered one bearish video on Galileo does not mean I'm bearish at all on the entire company. I have not sold any shares at all in the SoFi stock. I still think this is going to be a great investment over the next 3 to 5 years, and I also think we're going a lot higher inside of 2025. We just need management to be more clear about every single sector of the business and understand that retail has their back. We've been inside of the stock when it was at all-time lows, defending the stock just like the CEO. So he needs to stick with retail and understand, we're going to battle these bears and short sellers just like they're trying to do. We got a great video for you guys today. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. So yesterday we had a pretty nasty red day. The stock was down about 5%. Sentiment got really bad. I was talking about the Galileo tech platform. But on top of that, yesterday, you had, these analysts out there trying to attack the stock. I'm telling you, these guys watch the stock every day and they wait for the perfect moment to attack. That's exactly what they did yesterday. You can see right here, Compass Point maintains SoFi Technologies with a sell rating, raises price target to 6. It was at 4. So you can see, they try to time these sell ratings with a sentiment around retail. We cover one little thing about the technology platform, and then these guys try to attack the entire, retail community. And you guys can see the tweet right here from Alejandro. This is his, website, visualstocks.com, covering the bearish sentiment, on the stock. And you can see right here, Ray said, paying attention. And the Anthony Noto CEO said, yes, we are paying attention. So it looks like, Anthony Noto is seeing what we're saying. A lot of people are talking about the technology platform, but just understand, management knows exactly what they're doing. 2025 is still going to be an incredible year. And you have to realize this stock has also been, basing and consolidating at the $14 to $18 level for the past 3 months, guys. We've been going, 14 to 18, back to 14, 16, 14, and we're right now right around 15. So, guys, it looks like management is setting this stock up for a massive launch in 2025. I think we're going a lot higher, but you guys can see these guys are watching, they are behind the scenes, and they know what retail is talking about. We want the technology Galileo platform to accelerate, and I believe that's going to happen. Potentially in 2026. 2025 might be a soft year, but Galileo will pick up eventually. All right, guys. So we got some great news for you today. Look at this, guys. Monday, I don't know how to say that, increased ownership by 58,176%, guys. Total shares is now up to 2.7 million shares. Now, this is a massive, massive buy, increase. It's about $40 million, but they have a lot of, AUM, billions and billions of dollars. But what's more important is who this is buying could show you that this could potentially be another partner for SoFi, specifically the loan platform business, where we're seeing companies like Fortress, Blue Owl. This may be our next partner, not just an investor inside of the stock. Amundi is a French asset management company with 2.2 trillion assets under management in 2024. It's the largest asset manager in Europe and one of the top 10 biggest investment managers in the world. This is a massive asset management company. And I said I believe this could be our next loan platform partner. Guys, if they make another increase like this, jump it up to about 5-6 million shares, they're going to be right around the top 10, investor in SoFi. I believe these guys aren't adding like this just because they want to be an investor. I believe they're going to potentially be going after some of our assets. This will be a massive, boost because, that loan platform is where we're going to get that tech hybrid multiple as well, fee-based revenue. So this is some very good news we got today. All right, guys, and we're going to get to the really good news today. This is what we're, really making the video for you guys today, covering the website traffic. We got the January update coming in. And this post I did about a month ago. This is covering the last 6 months of website traffic, okay? And I said SoFi website traffic reaccelerated in December, plus 6% month over month to finalize Q4. This was tied for the third highest website traffic in company history, 16.5 million. And you guys can see the Q3 to Q4 total. When you put the 3 months together, we had 48.4 million website traffic Q3 and then 48.5 million website traffic Q4. The highest traffic ever was 16.7 million. We never even broke into the 17 million website traffic range. You're about to get the January website traffic right now, guys. So we have right here the last 6 months. So this is a lot of data. Save it, put it in your phone, to track the website traffic. But here it comes, guys. We got the January website traffic today. Breaking news, website January traffic update. SoFi just put the foot down and said growth at all costs to start 2025. Website traffic is in for January. It's a home run, guys. January website traffic, 19.5 million. This is the highest in company history, guys. This is 18.7% month over month. This is absolutely insane. Now you guys have more clarity on the direction that the CEO, Anthony Noto, is headed to inside of 2025. Guys, our highest ever was 16.7. He increased the revenue growth, beat the analysts. EPS profitability guidance came in soft. The stock sold off 10 to 15% because, that's just how the market algos work. But you guys can see exactly what he's trying to do right now. They are delaying profits, potentially just Q1 and Q2, and you're going to see the big profits come in the second half of the year and also 2026. So they're just entering a new phase of growth with profitability, not just going after profitability. EPS guidance was 3 cents for Q1. They'll probably come in around 4 to 5 cents. And then you'll see the EPS really start to kick in back half of the year. So this is direction that the management is headed. You can see that they are watching. They know about Galileo. We covered Galileo. Other creators covered Galileo. Just because I put out one video covering, a segment of SoFi, that does not mean I'm, bearish on the entire company. That segment only makes up, 1/5 of the entire business. There's still 80% of the entire other part of the company. And that is exactly what, is going to be fueling from this website traffic, which is, lending, financial services, the loan platform business, everything across the board. And of course, we have another massive X factor. If crypto comes back onto the SoFi platform, going to be more revenue streams coming in. So I believe 2025 is going to be an awesome year for SoFi. You guys know the stock has been consolidating for 90 days, $14 to $18 level. We keep hovering into the mid 15s, coming back down to the high 14s. I truly believe this stock is going to take off inside of 2025, guys. I think we're going to go a lot higher. management has massive compensation packages at the $45 level that they need to hit by mid 2026. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. We're going to be keeping you updated with all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Hope you have a great day.